Hello kids, let's start with our science subject, chapter 1, the living world, adaptation and classification. Let's begin. Let's recall, in what different way is the diversity in living things seen? The diversity in living things can be seen on basis of their shapes, size, habitat, etc. A great variety of plants is found on the earth. Some plants have colorful flowers. Some plants grow in water, whereas some are to be found in deserts which have a scarcity of water. Some plants are found only in snowy regions. Some plants cannot be seen without a microscope, whereas some are huge in size. Can you tell gradual changes occur in the body parts and also in the behavior of organisms which help them to adjust to their surroundings? Such changes are called adaptations. They take place over a long period of time. Stems of plants are submerged while leaves and flowers float on the surface. However, some plants are entirely afloat. Their roots are not anchored in the soil. Anchor means to penetrate. The surface of leaves and stems of many aquatic plants are covered with a waxy layer. Leaves of some aquatic plants are thin and slender like a ribbon. This shape helps them to withstand fast currents of water. Air spaces in stems and petioles of aquatic plants are useful for floating in water. Adaptation in plants of snowy region. Can you tell in what way are sloping branches useful to plants in a snowy region? Plants of snowy region mainly include conifers like deodar and pine. These trees are conical in shape due to their slopy branches. In the heavy snowfall and extreme cold in these regions, their conical shape prevents the snow from accumulating on the tree, and the thick bark helps the tree to withstand the cold. Adaptation in plants of forest region. A variety of plants, trees, shrubs and herbs are found in forest. These plants compete amongst themselves for sunlight. Hence, trees grow tall to get sunlight, and climbers and vines grow to a great height with the support of trees. Spring-like tendrils on the stem of some climbers is an example of adaptation. Diverse types of bushes and grasses are found in the grassland. Fibrous roots of grasses prevent soil erosion. Grasses in the equatorial region are very tall. Animals like tiger, elephant and deer can remain hidden in these grasses. However, grasses in cold region are very short. Adaptation for ingestion of food in plants. Most of the plants are anchored in the ground and are autotrophics. However, plants like deodar, that is cuscata, are parasite. The plant body of deodar consists of yellow wire-like stem. It is a leafless and cannot perform photosynthesis. However, it has hostarial, that is sucking roots for absorbing nutrients from the host plant. These roots penetrate up to the conducting vessels of the host plant to absorb water and food. Adaptation in forest and grassland animals. Carnivorous animals like the wild dog, fox, tiger and lion have strong legs to run fast and capture their prey. They have claws and their canine teeth are sharp and pointed. What is the function of such teeth? Such teeth are used to cut flesh of animals. Tigers have padded paws. This enables them to silently stalk their prey and capture it easily. The eyes of predatory are located in the front of their head. Adaptation in desert animals. Deserts are characterized by severe scarcity of water. Hence, desert animals have a thick skin to prevent loss of water from the body. Their legs are long with flat and cushioned soles. The nostrils are protected by folds of skin. The eyelashes are long and thick. Rats, snakes, spiders, lizards in deserts live in deep burrows during daytime and are active at night. Adaptation in aerial animals. Can you tell what is the main difference between vehicles on the road and aeroplanes? The vehicles running on road do not have tapering ends, whereas aeroplanes have tapering ends. The spindle-shaped body of the birds also minimize the resistance of air while flying. With hollow bones, a body covering of feathers and modification of foreign into wings, their body is light in weight and adapted for flying. The body of insects also is light in weight and tapers at both ends. They can fly with 2 pairs of wings and also walk with 6 stick-like legs. Bats can fly with the help of pterygium, a thin fold of skin between their forelegs and hind legs. Observe the various birds and insects in your area. Adaptation in reptile. Observe from a distance how snakes and earthworms creep. Which organs do they use for creeping? Are there any special changes for that purpose? Note any such changes. Animals like house lizard, garden lizard, crocodile use their muscles for creeping. Similarly, they show adaptation in skin, soles of feet, body color, etc. For example, the house lizard and monitor lizards have clawed toes and thin soles, whereas snakes have a scaly skin. Adaptation for food in animals. We can categorize animals as herbivorous and carnivorous. Special adaptations are seen in each category to make the process of feeding easy. We will discuss this in greater details in chapter of nutrition.